the ultimate backyard railway. And this would be, I guess, the sequel to the sequel. We'll take you on the small walking tour. Okay, we're going to go into the garage here. Hang on. This is Kai's place in Oakville, Ontario. And this is the gubbins that runs the whole thing. Kind of an old battery charger. A bunch of old car batteries. Various sizes and shapes. And yes, the tracks run right into the garage. There's another trolley here. Run right out into the driveway. He actually takes his garbage out on the flatbed. Anyway, there's one of the... This one is actually gas electric. A hybrid. One of the originals. There you go. There's one of the cars. This runs out to the curb as well. This is one of the actual trolleys here. This is the first switch. And it goes all around the yard. And comes back. And I'll take you out for a ride here later. Just going to walk over to the shed. This is another one. This is a steeple cab trolley. And one of the little coaches. The kids love this stuff. This is the engine shed. As you can see, there's a few bits and pieces in there. And this is the return line coming this way. And as I said, it comes all the way around the yard and comes back. And there's the house. So stay tuned and we'll take you for a couple of rides around the yard. Kai,
yes,
you're on. Okay. How long has this railroad been operating?
30 years in this place.
30 years in this place, and prior?
15 years in Montreal.
In Montreal,
yeah.
Yes. And this is the Pindal Electric Tramway. Yes. And we're going to take you for a ride on, which color would you like? The green one?
The green one, number
okay.
9.
We're going for the green one.
Yeah.
All right. And Kai is also responsible for Peep
Peep and the Big Wide World.
and the Big Wide World,
yeah.
which you won an Emmy for.
Yes.
In what year?
Oh, 2005.
2005. Okay, there we go. So just for the record, so we're going to take a ride in the trolley, which was designed and built by Kai Pindal. Okay,
yes.
and we're going to go around his backyard. Stay tuned.
When I started shooting, that was my route.
Oh, you like that? It's a wonderful control.
It is a wonderful.
It's a foot and a half high. It's
Yep. The contactors is and all the subtle signage, like that one.
Yeah, something. Oh yeah. It's just this gorgeous thing this big with all these copper bumps. I've got some silver dollars. We can melt them down.
Marvelous.
Get Kai wedged into his little engine.
That was a foot brake over here, was it?
Yeah.
Okay, we're about to go for a ride, and look, Gary, wave Gary, he's in the very small piece of rolling stock. Okay, this is the controller. See that? Contacts, lever. Okay, we're gonna go for a ride. Here we go. Ready? All right, we're on the way. We're recording. Ultimate Backyard Railway, version 3. We're on full power now. Good thing it's low speed. For those of you who ever wanted a model railway in your backyard, this is the ultimate. Here, I'll take you. There's the view through the front window. Oh, here, we'll ring the bell. Oh, no, we won't. This is the Rogues Gallery.
Let's hear from you.
Wouldn't you love to have this in your backyard? Actually, this is a 15-inch gauge, and it's proper railway property. Because actually, the section we're going through right now belongs to the city of Oakville. And this fence that's coming up here, just on my left, right there, that's the actual end of the property. But they allowed them to keep it, but they put it on the map as a railway, a physical railway. Now watch all the beer drinking weirdos on my left.
Heroes! Let's hear from you.
Okay, one more round if we're going to call this a day. Here we'll give you a different view. Side view. Nice landscape. Guy Pindal's ultimate backyard railway. Enjoy. You're supposed to stop us. Oh, I guess we'll go for another round. I think this is a 48-volt DC system running off that charger that I showed you in the garage. And the motors he uses are actually discarded electric lawnmower engines that normally run on 120 volts AC, converted for DC operation. Work pretty well, I'd say. That's all we got. Hope you enjoyed it. Okay, last portion of the video. This is Gary waving. Notice his shirt. And
Quack.
who is that? Quack. And?
Kai.
There it is.
Now pan
Pindal.
to the right.
Pan to the right. And yes, this is Kai. And that is Peter. Off and running.
Speaking of video.